You can just go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. Ow! Stop! I'm not going to jail. Stop!
Stop.
I said I would do it, and now you slam into my car.
On February 16, 2025, in Lake City, Florida, a speeding violation escalated into a full DUI and resisting arrest investigation. This incident provides a critical framework for analyzing police authority, medical exemptions, and the legal mechanics of implied consent.
How's it going?
Good.
Great. My name's Officer. Is there a reason you're driving way over the posted speed limit?
I honestly have no idea where I'm at.
So you're drunk.
No. I'm not at all. I live in Tampa.
Okay, so the speed limit back there is 45. I was doing 80 and I wasn't even catching up to you. You were gone.
Oh, really?
Yes. So right now I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. Do you have a driver's license? Registration and proof of insurance?
Yes, I do.
And you clearly smell of alcohol. Driver's license. Registration, proof of insurance. Thought we had a 1031 going on. Clocked her at 50, I flipped around and all of a sudden she bolted. Yeah, I've asked you for your registration, proof of insurance.
How did I bolt?
Because when I turned around, you were doing 50 mile an hour when I turned around. And then you were gone. Straight up just gone.
Well, honestly, I don't live here. I live in Tampa, so I don't know where.
And you're slurring your speech. You smell of alcohol. Step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you again. You're going to step out of the vehicle or I'm going to take you out of this vehicle. Walk back to the car. What's going on?
Yeah, bud.
What are you guys doing? You guys are driving way over the speed limit.
I'm not driving.
I know you're not. What's that in your hand?
They're bottles of lotion, I guess I got out here.
No, here, dude. I've asked for the registration proof of insurance like 3 times. Okay. So where are you guys heading to?
I'm headed to my parents' house off of Alligator Lake.
Where y'all come from? Alligator Lake is way over there.
I know. But I just had corneal transplant in my eye, so it's really hard for me to see through this left eye.
So that doesn't. If you can't drive at night, you shouldn't be driving at night.
I know.
I'm happy to send a letter to the
know.
DMV to take away your license. If you can't drive at night, you should not be driving.
I know, but I can't help my situation.
So you smell of alcohol. Straight up, just gonna be blunt and honest.
I was at a bar with
Well, I can tell.
him.
I can absolutely tell. I initially clocked you at 50 mile an hour. And when I turned around, you were gone.
I have no idea.
My car is recording. And I was doing 80 miles an hour trying to catch you.
Because I have no idea.
So it doesn't matter at this point. So now I'm going to ask you to do sobriety exercises.
Okay, I can't do whatever you're going to pull out with your flashlight. I can't do that with my eye. I can't.
Why not?
I just had a corneal transplant.
Okay.
Like, what do you not understand?
So are you refusing to do... There's more than just the eye.
No, there's not. You cannot do that.
You can just go to jail.
No, I'm not going to jail. Ow! Stop! I'm not going to jail. Stop!
Stop!
Stop! Are you kidding me? Stop!
Hey.
Stop! I won't do it. What?
Put your arms back.
Do anything. Stop!
Just relax.
I just said to like my eye.
And I said there's more exercises than your eyes. And you said no. Clearly.
No, I won't
Don't move your arms.
I won't do it. I will do whatever you want.
Just relax for a second.
Relax. Right now you're in this position because you want to be.
No, I don't. I won't cooperate. I'm just saying I can't do anything with my eyes
slurring your
with flashlight.
And I said there's more
I'm
exercises.
not slurring.
And I said there's more exercises.
Okay, and I will do them.
But you just told me no.
No, I said I will do them.
You just
But
told me no.
No,
It's
I
recorded
said
right
I
here.
can't. No, I cannot do anything with flashlight. I said
Stop.
Tell me your situation.
What's my situation?
this is ridiculous.
What?
This is ridiculous.
Because she's resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. I said I cannot do anything with my eyes
you
in
can
a
go back in the car.
flashlight. I just got a accordion transplant. Like, are you out of your f***ing mind?
And, ma'am, you said that, and I said, okay.
No.
I
And I said
understand that.
I would
And then
say
I said
I
there's
would
more-
do everything.
And then
I would
said
do
there's more
everything.
exercises.
I said
Yeah.
I would do it, and now you slam into my f***ing car?
Well, we tried to put you in handcuffs out here, and
Why?
you didn't. Because you said no.
No, I said I
said
will
no.
do everything I will, but I cannot do anything with flashlights to my eyeballs.
And I said there's more exercises.
Okay, and I said I would do it.
we're
Now,
not
no.
arguing about this.
I said I would do it.
All
And
right,
now
so-
you're having hiccups. Please take me out.
No.
Please.
No. You need to calm down.
This is so f***ing bizarre.
So, let's look at me. Ma'am,
I mean, I'll do anything. Like, why?
so calm down and take a deep breath, all right?
Okay, but like, I'm just telling you, I can't do anything with
And I
flashlights in
understand
my
that. You
eyes.
explained that to me, and I said, okay.
And
there's
I
more
said I will
exercises.
do that.
Hold on. I said there's more exercise.
And
you
I said I would do
you,
that.
No, you said no.
No, I said I would
You
do
said-
that. I would
clearly
say
you said
no. No, I said a no to flashlights to my eyeballs because it is gonna hurt my eyeballs.
Okay, and I
gonna
understand
be
that.
a deterioration.
So, at this time, I'm requesting a voluntary breath sample. It's 100% up to you. Ma'am, I'm talking to you. If you don't want to talk to me, you're just going to go to jail. Get charged with the DUI refusal if you don't want to talk. Are you going to talk?
You already read your implied?
No, not yet.
Yeah, no, dude, that sounds like you guys did a job.
So listen to what he said.
So I'm trying
He's
to
not
ask
really
you.
asked me anything. But
I just
slamming
asked-
against my car.
I just asked you.
Are you gonna do any fucking damage to my
There's no
car?
damage to your car. I just asked you, will you give a voluntary breath sample? It's yes or no.
That, under Wren versus United States, observing a vehicle exceeding the speed limit establishes objective probable cause for a traffic stop. Once legally stopped, the Supreme Court ruling in Pennsylvania versus Mimms governs the interaction. Mimms dictates that law enforcement holds absolute authority to order occupants out of a vehicle for officer safety. This is a mandatory command, not a request. Regarding roadside investigations, Florida drivers maintain a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, rendering field sobriety tests technically voluntary. When a subject claims a medical condition, such as a corneal transplant, protocol requires officers to offer alternative divided attention tests. However, a complete refusal to perform any physical agility exercises is legally admissible in court as evidence demonstrating a consciousness of guilt. Once arrest is initiated, Florida Statute Section 316-1932 applies. This implied consent law mandates that any person operating a motor vehicle implicitly consents to a chemical test of their breath, blood, or urine. Refusing this test does not prevent a DUI conviction. Instead, it triggers an automatic 1-year suspension of driving privileges and strengthens the prosecution's case.
It's 100% up to you.
Why? When you guys are just being straight.
I didn't come here to take you to jail. That's not.
Yeah, pretty much
No,
you did.
that's not at all why I came
All I
here.
want to do is go back to my house. That is not even.
Can I explain something to you?
What?
So he's already explained to you, but you're doing 80 something.
I have no idea.
Hold on, let me finish.
I'm not from around
okay,
here.
listen. You were doing 80 something in 45. Okay, so that's the first issue. Okay, you are slurring your words. Your eyes are bloodshot.
How do you know my eyes are bloodshot?
I'm looking at it.
I have one contact in my eye and one contact not in my eye.
Are you gonna let me finish?
No, you cannot say that my eyes are bloodshot because.
Let me read her implied consent quick. So,
Listen to him.
you gotta look at me. Ma'am.
No, I'm good. Read whatever you have to say.
No, so you're gonna look at me while I do this?
No.
Absolutely. Or you'll have a resisting charge on top of a DUI.
Okay,
You wanna keep tracking him on?
Go on, baby.
All right.
Over here. Go on. Whatever you feel is needed.
I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content and or the presence of chemical or controlled substances. I'm requesting you submit to a test of breath. Will you take this test? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be
I
committing
guess I'll do
a misdemeanor in
I had a
addition to
beer.
another penalties which can be imposed. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
Yes, I do.
Do you still refuse to submit to the test?
Can you undo this and I'll do a breathalyzer?
Do you still refuse to submit to the test? Yes or no?
No, I'll do one, but will you
So
undo
the breathalyzer
this?
is at the jail.
At the jail.
Yes, we don't have breathalyzers in our car.
Can you just please let me go home?
No, you're drunk. I'm not letting you drive drunk.
So I'll take an Uber.
You said you're going to
from
Alligator
here.
Lake, which is Whale. You're in Lake City. We don't have Ubers, hardly ever.
No, you do.
Hardly ever.
I guarantee you do. What?
Do you guys mind transporting?
I'm telling you to stay right here.
Do you guys mind transporting? I got the kilos.
Yeah, that's fine.
What's his name?
I'll talk to you about it.
Okay.
Do you have anything about 15 minutes left? Alright, let's walk over here real quick.
Ow! This should hurt.
Hey, stop pulling away then.
Ow! You
Just
did
listen.
that. You did that. That was all f***ing you.
You're just
Ow!
really drunk.
I'm not f***ing drunk.
Furthermore, Florida Statute Section 843.2 defines resisting an officer without violence. The legal threshold does not require an attack on the officer. Actively tensing, bracing, or pulling away from lawful physical restraint meets the statutory requirement. From a legal perspective, there are three primary lessons learned from this incident. First, the roadside is not a venue for legal debate. Arguing medical exemptions or challenging police authority during the stop is legally ineffective. Second, invoking constitutional rights does not grant immunity from administrative penalties. Refusing tests protects testimonial rights but sacrifices driving privileges. Finally, physical compliance during an arrest is paramount. Even if a citizen believes a charge is unjustified, physical resistance instantly creates an independent, valid criminal charge.